So I want a yoga teacher here. I want a yoga teacher here because I'm not very flexible. I got damaged very badly in an accident a while back, and I can walk and stuff, but I need to do some yoga. Like I like Ashtanga yoga in particular. And the ideal would be maybe a couple yoga teachers. Maybe it would even be a couple, but both of them certified to certify people to be yoga teachers. That's the level I want to have, is not just people coming to learn how to do yoga, but people who can teach people how to be certified to be yoga teachers themselves. And that program would be 1 month at minimum. I'm not sure. It could be longer, and it might depend on the student. But that'd be really great. So I invite yoga teachers to come live with me. Of course, they would have to be compatible with all the other weird shit I believe in or don't believe in. What I don't believe in is actually more important than what I do believe in. So we could look at yoga as what yoga is in India, and look at what the meaning of it is there, because it's more than just, moving around and stretching. And we could pick and choose which parts of it we like or don't like, and then implement that here into a lifestyle of healthy living and good stuff, but without a lot of spiritual weird shit. In fact, maybe like no spiritual weird shit at all. But that doesn't mean we can't make social contracts about how we live life in general. And I haven't studied yoga at that level, like what is the expanded really version of yoga as it exists in India. But we could go through it and we could pick and choose which pieces we think make sense for us and how we would implement them here. So let me know if you are a yoga teacher or if you want to be a yoga student at a higher level. We'll see.